Hi, welcome to our third lesson. In this lesson, we will create our first web page. Before starting any project or any idea, you have to learn some skills. First, you have to go to any place on your laptop. Create a new folder and name it with any name. I will name it My Project. Now we will go to our text editor. I am using Visual Studio Code, but you can use any text editor. Click File. Open Folder. You will choose the folder that you have created. You will find here that your folder is opened. From here we can add files or anything to our folder. The first file we will create is the main file for our HTML web page. You have an icon here that is used for creating files. We will click on it and create a new file. We will name our file index.html. .html is an extension that tells our operating system the type of this file, like .pdf for PDF files or .mp3 for sound files. The word index is advanced information. If you find it difficult to understand, forget it. The servers that you will upload your files on it in the future, after being professional in this carrier. The default settings of these servers look for a file named index. Not only for HTML, it can be index.js, index.php, or any extension, but the file name must be index. I want you to know that all the elements that we will learn are called HTML tags. Our elements are written in this way. Smaller than sign. Then write your element name. Then greater than sign, this is the opening tag. Notice that the editor immediately put the closing tag. Our elements have an opening tag and a closing tag, and there are other elements that we will learn during the course that don't need a closing tag. You have to know that all the elements that we will learn must be written inside the HTML tag. Before starting, you need to know that Visual Studio Code has many helpful features. As you can see, when I put the cursor on the HTML element, the text editor will give me information about this element. That could be helpful for you if you forgot the usage of any element. And another helpful feature is the tap button. In the future, you will write many elements inside each other, so the tap button can help you differentiate between the elements, and if you want to go back, you can click on Shift and tap together. Inside our HTML tag, we have two important tags: the head tag and the body tag. The body tag is the place where you will write the content that will appear on your web page. But the head tag is the place where you will write the metadata, and we will talk about it in the coming lessons. Now we will create our first web page, and the first tag we have today is the title tag. Inside the title tag, I will write, for example, bookstore. And in the body, I will write, "This is my bookstore." And we will click Run. As you can see that the title appears here, and anything inside the body appears here. That's for today. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next lesson.